Hi, this is Keith Counts with How to Build Your Own Home. This is a weekly bonus, and it's a little pet peeve I have, but it's something I do in the way I practice my construction projects, and it has to do with flooring. A lot of times, flooring installers want to come in after cabinets. I don't like that. I like my flooring down before my cabinets are installed. Now, I know a lot of flooring manufacturers are freaking out when I say that. Oh, no, our floor is designed to float. You can't do that right now. And I kind of ignore that for the most part if I can, especially with vinyl flooring. Like here's a vinyl floor down here. We've installed in the bathroom here, and we've installed the vinyl, as you see, all the way down, except for a small cutout section where your plumbing is going to come. Now, they typically say they don't like the flooring to go underneath the cabinets, but I don't like putting in flooring around the cabinets because you typically have to cut right to it, and you have that ugly 1/4 inch round trim right at the base, and it doesn't look clean. So what I tell my cabinet installers is mount it to the wall, okay? Let it sit on the floor lightly, but mount it to the wall, but don't mount it to the floor. Let that just live freely as best you possibly can. Same thing in here for a little kitchenette. Let's go in here. I would have if you have a little island here, I'd still put the floor down first. Now, if that island needs to be mounted to the floor, obviously it does, but now I can take a saw, go down to a 1/4 inch, and I can cut out perfectly where I need to put that island. That's why I like to put the floor in first. For tile, it's great. You obviously want to put your tile in first before you put your flooring down. But if you can put your flooring down before your cabinets, it's going to make things much easier. You can see right here, you don't have to have a tile go, or the vinyl floor go all the way up against the wall. Obviously, that's going to be hidden by the cabinets. But now your install for your flooring is much easier. And I'm not going to have them mounted to the floor. We'll mount it to the wall. I've got some good king studs, some trimmers, a lot of stud work behind here. I can literally let it sit on the vinyl, mount it to the wall. I'm good. You don't need to glue it. You don't really need to mount that to the floor. I've never really seen cabinet guys do that. Every once in a while on a slab on grade, they'll want to do that. They'll want to put a little bead of glue on the base of that cabinet, but I put really heavy countertops on there. It's really going to weigh that down anyway. I've never had any problem with a free floating floor that's just floating underneath that cabinet, especially when it's mounted on the wall. I know I'm kind of going out of the norm here. A lot of people are just probably going to freak out on that. That's what I do. I do not like to put my flooring after the cabinets. I love to get all my flooring down before. It's a cleaner look. And there are some, I know Stellar Innovations has a great 3/4 inch solid wood floor, and they tell you that you can put your cabinets on top of it. I'll put a link of that flooring in the description box below. And you want to check that. That's something you're going to want to ask about, whether you're using engineered wood, whether you're using a luxury vinyl product, whatever it may be. Ask, can I put my cabinets on top of the flooring? Are you going to allow for that? If not, the other option is put it down, have them come measure for the cabinets, and then tell them, they can tell you where the cabinets are going to end, and then you can cut that in a clean line with a saw right on the floor, rather than trying to butt it right up, making it look nice. My issue is I have speed of install for my flooring guys. I have ease of access for my cabinet guys at the same time, and then I can obviously cut it off if I need to, just as a 1/4 inch. I'm not going all the way down to the subfloor. So anyway, it's just one of my things that I deal with a lot of the times. I love to get my flooring in as soon as I possibly can, right after paint. Not before, of course, but right after paint, and let all my cabinet guys come in after that. This is Keith Counts with How to Build Your Own Home. Hope that helps you out.